This right here just might be the worst intro on the whole of YouTube. But hey, what can you do? It's my video anyway. Oh, hey guys, just a sec. After delaying this idea of creating my YouTube channel over and over again, I finally decided to give it a shot. My name's not important for now, and I do not want to present you guys with made up names. I really hate it when people try to paint a different picture of themselves. What's the use of opening up to people if you do not wanna? Shit, why do I keep doing this? I think I should rather start a podcast, Never mind. My name's not ideal and it's a tough one to get used to. I'm an 18-year-old adult who loves coding, working with microcontrollers, electronic circuits, and making, let's just say things for now. But my newfound love is game development. I've been watching game dev videos of developers such as Danny and Brackeys, and I enjoy it to the extent where I wanna make it my permanent hobby. So yeah, as you guys guessed, this channel is going to be all about game development. At least for now. So without wasting any further time, let's get started.